The DMV first warn day for the threat for some stronger thunderstorms later on this afternoon, but out there this morning for that morning commute, it's a wet start. We're seeing a few locations with some moderate to heavy rainfall. In those locations where we're seeing yellows, some of the oranges and the reds popping up on the radar. Again, we're seeing a few of those, mainly down towards parts of northern Virginia as we speak now, starting to push into parts of Maryland, and even around the district, you're seeing some light to moderate rainfall, really dependent on where you are in the district. It's mainly farther off towards the south and east, where we're seeing a few more of those areas where it's a little bit heavier. But over towards parts of northern Virginia right now, lighter rain showers as opposed to what we saw earlier this morning, where we did see a few pockets of some heavier rain. And speaking of that heavier rain, this is mainly just now to the east of 95 into parts of Virginia, now about to move into southernmost parts of Maryland. Satellite and radar, we'll be watching this cold front. That will be the reason why we do see the potential for some stronger thunderstorms developing later on this afternoon and into the early evening hours. Really not ideal timing for that evening commute. But temperatures out there this morning, I know it's a wet start, but it's on the warmer side. We're into low 60s right now, 63 in D.C., as well as Frederick, 60 in Martinsburg, and also 61 in Winchester, 63 in Fredericksburg. Now, this is running at least 10, even closer to 20 degrees warmer than we were yesterday morning at this time. Those winds are also starting to pick up too. We're between 5 to 15 miles per hour, and that breeze will certainly pick up with those thunderstorms later on today. We do have a marginal risk for much of the area. It's mainly along and east of I-81, so it does include most of our region. However, with that marginal risk, it's a low risk, but not zero. But the main threat with any of those thunderstorms will be the threat for some gusty winds associated with some of those thunderstorms. And not only that, some heavier downpours, too. This is the setup. We're looking between 4 and 6 p.m. closer towards the D.C. metro area. A little bit earlier than that, back off towards the west. But it really looks like it will be organized once it reaches the D.C. metro area, and then that quickly exits. So we're just keeping an eye on between, say, 2 and 6 p.m. when we could see that potential for some of those stronger thunderstorms to slide through. Then we dry things out through the overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. Friday looking nice. Temperatures back into the mid to upper 60s under mainly sun-filled skies. Saturday also mainly sun-filled. Sunday, though, we'll likely see a few more clouds and a chance for a spot shower or two. But overall, how much more rainfall can we expect? Well, we're looking at, say, a tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch back off towards the north and west, out towards the I-81 corridor, but closer towards D.C. That's where we could see at least 3/4 of an inch to about an inch of rainfall when all is said and done once this rain moves on out. Here's a view of the rest of that 8-day outlook for this 8 o'clock hour. We're looking at mainly sun-filled skies tomorrow after a wet start to the day today, and also with the thunderstorms later on this afternoon. Low 70s for the weekend. We'll just see more clouds on Sunday. A few rain showers, though, on Monday, turning much cooler for the middle of that next work week. Back in the low to mid 50s Tuesday, Wednesday, upper 50s by next Thursday. Right now, I'll toss it over to Shanika, the all-important traffic.